Hello, yeah, welcome to this video. My name is Sherak, and in this video, I'm going to show you the best telecom business opportunity in Nigeria and my topic, okay, and why I recommend it. Stick with me in this video. You're not going to be much lengthy video. So, but before that, this is VT 1 Million Monthly Challenge channel. This channel, what I do is I educate you on how to start and grow up a six-figure telecom business in Nigeria that makes you money. And of course, there's a free cash of 1 million naira challenge in this program, which you can grab if you use my link to register and become an agent. Now, before then, let me quickly remind you that for you to get updated and notified whenever I release updates on this channel is for you to like and share and subscribe to the channel. So subscribe and turn off the bell notification icon so that you'll be notified when I release an update like this. Having said that, let's proceed. Now, the first platform, which of course is popular at the moment of recording this video, is opay.ng. Opay is actually a platform where you can get a POS for physical business operations. You can also do bank transactions, and utility bill payment is all here. Now, in this Opay is more or less a banking kind of application, but they also offer telecom business opportunities for their users, which enables them to vend products like airtime, Glow, Nine Mobile, and the rest. But one of the setback of Opay is their commission rate is not that affordable, which I'm going to show you and present to you the best platform, which their commission rate is very good in Nigeria. Now that's it. The first one here I just said is Opay. Now the second one is recharge and get paid. Okay, actually I put it in descending order. The topmost is the last one, so please don't skip any part of this video. Recharge and get paid is one of the platform, and the moment of recording this video, it has been there for a while. But if you come here, Recharge and Get Paid is a platform that promises to pay you money when you gather your team in the platform, and they do that by presenting you a packages you can upgrade on their program to get access to their services. So you can see the basic package here is 5,000, the bronze is 10,000, the silver is 20, the gold is 30, and all the rest. Now, one of the things about recharge and get paid is why I do not necessarily recommend it for a starter is because you pay money up front before you start, and that imposes uh, issues for marketers and networkers as well who want to promote the platform, because person that you are promoting it may not have up to that amount to get started in the business. So I usually test what I want to do for free for a meantime, and then if that is working, I can then commit my money into it. So that is the setback on recharge and get paid. Now, what is my number one recommended platform? It is all about VT 1 Million Monthly Challenge. Okay, VT 1 Million Monthly Challenge, which is vt1mmc.com.ng. You can use the link in the description of this video to get here. In this platform, you are getting for yourself 1 million naira free cash and up to 500k grant, and you are making 1,000 to 30,000 every day, completely on autopilot, and all these things you are doing it for free. You don't pay your money, just like other platforms like Recharge and Get Pay. You have to pay to get started, as I have explained. But here on VT 1 Million Monthly Challenge, you are not paying any money to get started. Everything is completely free. All you have to do is to join the challenge by clicking join the challenge now. Join the challenge, click on it, and then fill up your form to sign up and receive your first presentation training right now. Once you fill the form, you'll be given the presentation on the program properly, everything you need to know about the program. So get started now. Use the link in the description of this video to sign up, and then get started, and then make a choice. If you want to settle with OPay, that's the link is here, opay.ng. You want to go for recharge and get paid, the link is here, rechargeandgetpaid.com. So if you want to go for VT 1 million monthly challenge, the link is vt1mmc.com.ng. Whichever platform you choose to as your best platform in Nigeria, each of them have its own pro and cons. So, but I like to start things for free. And that's why I like VT 1 million monthly challenge program concept, because it gives you the power to start for free. So I believe this video has given you the best telecom business platform in Nigeria, and then give you a room to decide the one that will suit you. If you enjoy any value from this video, please subscribe to the channel, like, and turn up the bell notification icon, because I do make a release content video like this almost every day in the channel. Until I see you once again in our channel, and of course, keep earning and keep winning big on telecom business in Nigeria. I will see you in the next video.